Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to disable this show more options context menu on Windows 11. Every time we need to right click on and then click on show more options, and after that it will show all the options there. But if you don't want to click two times on your Windows, this time to change you the context menu on your Windows, simply open your CMD as administrator and make sure you have the admin rights. Click yes option when the prompt opens, and now simply add this command. Just you need to add this command, copy and paste from my description box, press enter, and once it is completed successfully, you can just sign out from your user or you can restart your Windows, and after that you will see this will be all the options should be showing up here. Even you can look for Windows Explorer and you can restart it. I have restarted the Windows, and now Windows Explorer, not a window. And now when I select any one, right click, and you can see directly options are showing up here. But if you want to remove it in a future, if your plan changes, you can simply paste this command here. Again, open the CMD as admin, paste it, press enter, and now again you can restart your Windows or you can restart the file explorer. And once the file explorer, Windows Explorer is restarted, you can now check back and see if you are able to get the same menu or not. Show more options, and now you can see we restored the settings to show more options. This is how you can disable it and enable it. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.